I wanted to clarify real quick about sides, names, and shapes because we're gonna get a little bit into pentagon, hexagon, octagon a little later today. So, how many sides determines the name and the shape of a shape, of course. So, if a shape has 3 sides, it's called a triangle. Think of the word or the prefix tri. What else have you heard that in? Tricycle, and that has how many wheels? 3, so it makes sense. 3 sides, triangle, looks like this. 4 sides, quadrilateral. You should know this, please tell me you do. And it's got 4 sides. Could be a square, could be a rhombus, could be a rectangle. We have a lot of options for quadrilaterals, right? How about a pentagon? Pentagon kind of looks like a little house. Our pentagon has 5 sides. Our 6-sided shape is called a hexagon. X like 6, hexagon. Looks a little something like that. Have you seen that shape anywhere? What about 7 sides? That's called a heptagon. We don't hear that too often, and it was mighty hard to draw. What was even harder to draw, and I just gave up, I drew an octopus, is our 8-sided figure, octagon, like octopus, and it's got 8 sides. So if you see a shape with 8 sides, that's an octagon.